What's up, everybody? Derek G here, Feed the Fire Films, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I create and import a 3D model into Magic. I use a program called Autodesk right here, Autodesk 123D Design. This is the free version, and you can design basic, shapes and all kinds of things. Really, it's a great program for the price of free. So this is what I use to create, a 3D model. And from here, you save this. You export it as an object file or an STL, or in the proper format. And then you can load Magic, right? You load Magic and you load it into Magic with the model. It's in the geometry section here. Model. You click model. You get model. You select your file, like I did. I selected this Magic Hex Dots is what I called it, and here it is. So from here, what did I do from here? What do we got going? I spun it on a linear spin with no audio sync on the y-axis, and then I spun the x-axis on a different degree of ramp, so we get this wobbly shift to it, and you can tell it's a 3D object now, right? And then of course I rotated Z to add more spin and turn on the object, and I put a radial blur on it, which is set to the music, but I didn't do that instantly. See, I stopped here when I created this lineup, and I created another one, and I scaled it down, and you can see it in the middle there. See it? It's inside itself. And I put this one on with a hue sync with the audio, and so we get it to blink and sync with the audio, which is picking up my microphone right now. I made it an array. See that? And the array, we got jumping X distance, Y distance. So now you can see what's happening there. I translated it, which really just makes it a little bit smaller, and then I pumped that into a star field. So now you have this sporadic glowing grid of spinning 3D hexagons, right? And I rotate that again on a audio sync, and I put some trails on it, and now it's all wicked looking, right? All that from the one 3D model. And then the top model that's spinning in the center gets the blur, gets an RGB, and I kind of tinted it green with some, maybe I'll turn this alpha up so it doesn't disappear, right? And I put some trails on that, and that's what we have. So I can drop my beat on, right? Now I got it set to music, and this is what you get. But really, this is to show you how you can utilize a 3D model. Yeah, all of this comes from a 3D model, where if you look at my other videos, there's plenty of other things you can continue to do to this. Like you could run a mask, you could run spectrums, you could do all kinds of other things with this, not just this. I was really just kind of messing around with it to see how much color I could generate with the one object, and obviously you can generate a ton of color with just importing one simple little 3D model like this this little model here is, you know, it's generating all that color in Magic, man. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And so, you know, there you go. I turned the star field off, it looked kind of wicked too. Like, you see that? I turned the star field off. Now it's just the array that's jumping all over the place. And it's pretty wild, man. 3D objects, 3D models. So if you need a program to create a 3D model, this Autodesk is decent enough, and it's free for you to create basic, you know, shapes and stuff like that. It's got a bunch of core stuff to it, you know. And if you can figure out Magic, I'm sure you can figure out how to create a 3D model and just load your file in here, you know. Like, what happens if I turn the scale off now? Yeah, see? The scale, like, zooms in on that. But anyway, there you have it. Magic Music Visuals, 3D model input. You can generate all this color from one 3D model. And yeah, with that, I'll say until next time, hope you enjoyed. Peace, love, and gratitude. And namaste to all of you.